Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. And is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.